is how to draw optical pathway easily. So basically optical pathway is related to microscopy, as we all know. So today our topic is optical pathway of light microscope or bright field microscope. So in case of light microscope or bright field microscope, there are three lenses. First one, ocular lens or eyepiece lens, and the mid one, objective lens, and the last one, condenser lens. These three lenses are very important, as the condenser lens, it gathers the light from the light source or illuminator. This is the light source. So it gathers the light from the illuminator and the light reaches to the objective lens via stage. Here is the stage where we keep our specimen. This is our specimen. And from specimen, first the light reaches to objective lens, and objective lens is the lens which is very important because it forms the primary image of our specimen or sample. Then from objective via ocular lens, light reaches to our eye. So even you can draw a small eye diagram, or you simply write eye, as simple as that. And the ocular lens or eyepiece lens, it creates or forms primary, it creates the final image of the specimen. So this is the condenser lens. This is the objective lens. And last one is the eyepiece lens. So these are the lenses. In between objective and condenser, this is the stage where we keep our specimen, and this is the light source or illuminator from where we will start our optical pathway. Just to see the optical pathway, first one, it looks like English capital V letter. This is one X, second another X, and last one it looks like A. So this is very simple to draw the optical pathway, and now we need to finish it. Just drawing few lines to join the rays, and just need to mention the direction of the light rays. This is very important. So now this is the final and proper optical pathway of light microscopy or bright field microscopy. Hope it will be helpful for your study. Thank you. Please do visit our channel.